Welcome back to Ubaid's lab, and today we're going to make a solution that looks like a lava lamp. So the equipment for this experiment includes some vegetable oil and vinegar and food coloring. These three things will make up our first solution, and then we'll need some baking soda and water that'll make our second solution, and then we'll add this to the first solution and we mix them, and then the colored droplets will start moving around and it'll look kind of like a lava lamp because the baking soda and vinegar will react and cause a lot of fizzing. Alright, I'm going to start by making our first solution of the oil, vinegar, and food coloring. So I'm going to start off by adding some of the oil. I'm using corn oil. Alright, that should be enough. And now I'm going to add some white vinegar. I think that's enough. Maybe just a little more. I'm not really being exact with any of this because it doesn't really matter. You're gonna get about the same result no matter what. And okay, food coloring. I'm using red food coloring. I'd recommend just using one color. It doesn't really matter what it is, but if you stick with one color, it's gonna look way better. Because once the colors start mixing, it's just gonna turn into a mess. I think that's enough food coloring, and this is our first solution. I'm gonna mix this around a bit. There we go. You want to mix it until the solution changes color. Alright. And our first solution is done. I can put this to the side and start making our sodium bicarbonate solution. So right now I have around 40 milliliters of water in my beaker right now, and I'm just going to add some sodium bicarbonate, which is just baking soda. Alright, and I'm just going to mix this around a bit. Alright, now I can put this to the side, and now we can add the two solutions to each other and get a reaction. I'm just going to mix this one more time before I get it started. Alright, and I'm going to add the sodium bicarbonate to the first solution now. There we go. The acetic acid, which is vinegar, is reacting with the sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. which is causing some of the fizzing. Looks really cool. Let's see what happens if we mix this around a bit. Alright, it's settled down now. It didn't last too long. I think it's because I didn't add enough vinegar. If you add more vinegar and more baking soda, it should last a bit longer. But that was a lot of fun and it looked pretty cool. Don't forget to join my Discord. It's a tight-knit community and we discuss some of the topics I cover in my videos, and it's a lot of fun. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.